Hey, what's going on? This is J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Life, and today I'm coming to you guys with another unboxing here on my YouTube channel. Let's go check it out. So today, you guys, I'm coming to do an unboxing on these Ray-Ban Meta glasses. You know, these are those Ray-Ban Meta glasses, AI glasses, the Wayfarer glasses. So we're doing a quick unboxing on these glasses right here. And I know you guys probably have one question that you're dying to know, and I'm probably going to answer that before this video is over. So there's one question that I know a lot of people ask that I was even wondering before I got these glasses. So towards the end of the video, I'll tell you a story about the Ray-Ban Metas and answer that question of what you're wondering about what these glasses really can do. But I'm going to answer a lot of your questions while we're opening up this box here. Oh, there's a tab right here you can rip across. You know, some boxes and some things you just don't want to just rip open. You want to try to make sure you're opening it nicely in the way it's supposed to be open. So here you go. We'll open this piece right here, and I'll come back to explain what's special about my box right here that I got, or my special pair of Ray-Ban Meta glasses. So right here, as soon as you open it up, it just lets you know some of the stuff you can do on it. It has call, listen, live stream, call, listen, live stream right there. Meta View app right here. There's something. What is this? Is this the towel? It looks like this might be. Oh, it felt like a towel in there. What is this? Am I supposed to pull this out? Oh, here we go. Pull it out. Let's get started. So here you go. We have a get started manual here. A through H, some simple steps on getting started. Letting you know right here the app to download, the MetaView app. Just letting you know some of the things to do. Stuff about notifications. Safety and warranty booklet right here. And feels like that's all that's in there. And then look how this box opens up really nicely. See, I didn't want to tear it up to make sure I can grab everything. And I believe I don't see any plugs or anything in here. Oh, I feel a cloth. I thought that's what I was feeling for, this cloth right here. There is a cloth right there. But look at this nice leather case. It comes in this nice leather protecting case. And see, we're just going to have to rip this open to grab the, I guess this is our Ray-Ban cleaning cloth here for your nice lenses, to cleanse the lenses on there. Then there's also this QR code here to scan so you can get the app on your phone, so you can connect the glasses to your phone. So right here out the box, you see it comes in this nice leather casing. This leather casing is also the charging case, so it does take a Type-C plug. And that's the thing I'm looking for here. We would have thought it would have came with a plug. Let's see. I don't want to rip nothing open here, but I don't see no Type-C. I don't see no Type-C in here anywhere now. You think I could fit a Type-C behind here at all? I think it would be in the open. I don't think I should have to rip this off to find the Type-C. Yeah, I don't think it came with no. Let's see, Type-C plug. So here's a tab here. It says pull here on this tab. I guess maybe that'll activate it or something. So pull there on the tab. Let's be careful as we pull the glasses out. Oh, you see, as soon as we pull them out, this light comes on there in the front. There's a button in the back here. This button in the back is for pairing the glasses. And as you can see, this light comes on. And here are my Ray-Ban glasses right here. Oh, right away, as soon as I open them up. So they must already be on, because right now you can see the light in the back is already flashing on the back. So let me come close and I'll show you guys. Let me show you guys the glasses up front here now that we have them open. So as you can see, you do have the two circles right there on both sides. One side is the as you can see, on one side you have the camera, and on one side you have the indicator to let people know that you're taking a picture or that you are recording a video. Right here up top is the button. You can push this button one time. Oops, let's see. You can push the button one time, and then it will take a photo, and you can see it lets people know you're taking a picture because it flashes. Then if you hold it down, and you can hear the sound, it makes a sound in your ear through the glasses, through this open air system that it has to where you can hear it. And you can see as long as you're recording, that light will stay on to let people know that you're actually recording. Now, for any reason this indicator over here is covered, it's supposed to stop recording and not take a picture. And so as you can see from the inside, you do get indicators on the inside when you're taking a picture, when the glasses are actually pairing. It'll change colors right there. And sometimes you can see it if you have good peripheral vision. So to stop it, you just would stop it like that. And now it's blinking because it's actually trying to pair with a device. So let me see if I can pair it with my phone really quick. Okay, so I got the glasses paired with the app now. Now it's taking me through like 6 steps to kind of get used to using the glasses. Just like I was showing you guys, it's showing me that simple press down. Here will capture a picture. Then the second thing, it's showing me just to hold it down to practice recording a video. As you can see, that indicator light is on there. And then it's also, like I said, there's a flashing indicator light blinking on the inside that I can see out of my peripheral vision to let me know that it's recording. Then once I stop the button, let's see, the next thing it's telling me to do. Also on the sides here, you can tap to play music. So if you do have like your Spotify hooked up, you can tap to play music. It's playing music in my ear. You can tap it to stop, pause the music. You can swipe forward to use the touchpad to turn the music up, or you can swipe backwards to turn the music down. You can tap it to pause. You can use features to fast forward or rewind the track or play the same track all over again. So that's just important to keep in mind. And you can also use this touchpad to answer and end phone calls, as well as if you want to be just totally hands-free, you can talk while your glasses are on and tell it to do things like make phone calls, send text messages, end calls, answer the phone, things like that. You can, like I said, you can respond to text messages. And now with some of the updates, you can actually look at things or places when you're outside and ask your glasses, what do you see, by saying things like, hey, Meta. Once you say, hey, Meta, that'll activate the AI functions and capabilities. And then you can start to ask you can ask questions. You can ask it to do things. You can ask simple things as what's the weather today, and all those types of things like that. And then it is open air. These are like open air headphones and uses open air speakers. So the speakers are actually on top, and then the microphones are at the bottom. So that's important to keep in mind with these glasses. Now, like I said, I was going to tell you some things at the end of the video. So I did actually first get my first pair of Ray-Ban Meta glasses back in January of 2024. So I've had them for a while. I got mine actually from Lens Crafters. And one of the things is that I actually got mine with the prescription inside of them. So if you do get yours with the prescription inside of them, when they come to you, they will have the prescription printed on the outside of the box. So my prescription is actually printed right here on the outside of my box once it came to me. So these are actually prescription glasses and lenses that I put inside of here. And I guess even if you buy them without the prescriptions, they do come with this card on the inside to let you know the participating locations that you can take your glasses to have prescription lenses put on the inside. So fast forward to February of 2025, and you say, why are you doing an unboxing? So the reason why I'm doing an unboxing is because at Lens Crafters, I did get insurance. And about, 4 to 5 months ago, I want to say like September, maybe of 2024, like one of these pieces came off right here. There's sensors right here on the nose pieces, and I think there's sensors on the arms of the glasses too. So what happened is one of the sensors had fell out of my glasses before, and I waited so long. I waited all the way till January to take them back. So I stopped wearing them, but I would wear them every now and then, but it was like kind of like scratching my nose up. And I did have a warranty, so I went ahead, took them back in, and got my new pair. I just had to turn in the old pair. But again, these are some, I would recommend these glasses. They're pretty good. Like I say, with some of the updates they've got in the past few months to where now you can look places and ask Meta, like, what do you see? You can ask Meta things like to spell things, for directions, ask it to answer questions, to dial numbers, to text people. And then it's also very convenient to use for talking, so that way you don't have to have on an extra headset or earpieces while you're out and about talking or while you're doing your day-to-day work. You can actually just have your glasses on and be talking to people, communicating with folks, or if you're using them while you're driving, doing things while you're using your hands and you want to be hands-free, these glasses come in perfect if you're biking, riding, doing things outdoors, and just for catching those images while you're out doing things too. That way you don't have to have your cell phone in your hand. You can catch images right away. And I believe now with the updates that the glasses now record up to 3 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. So with that being said, so that's why I said it's very good that you can get prescriptions inside of them. That's one of the things I like. You can get the prescriptions, and also my glasses too are also transitions. So I did get transitions lens put in as well. So when I'm outside and out and about too in the sunlight, my glasses will change and transform. So what do I think some of the cons are about these glasses? One of the things is I'm a travel agent, so I do travel a lot, take lots of flights, and sometimes I'm on flights that are 4 hours, over 4 hours. And one thing that I will say is that using these glasses for the past year in travel and on flights, and most of the flights that I take are at least 3.5 hours. So these glasses, they're supposed to last up to 4 hours, and I'll say typically on my 3 to 4 hour flights, typically I might wait till we get in the air if I know it's a 4 hour flight or 3.5 hour flight before I start to play music. And I could say maybe sometimes it could be 15 minutes before it's time to land. The glasses are actually they're dying, and I'm getting down to the notification where it's like to letting me know you got 15% left. So I am aware of that with traveling. So if you do travel a lot or think you'll wear them, like for flights, just keep in mind if you have flights over 3 hours, you will have to recharge them, or before you get on your flight. Before I get on my flight, sometimes I'll keep them in the charger so they can be charged. Now, one of the good things is they do get a fast charge within like 10 to 20 minutes. You can have a good amount of time to listen. So that is one good thing, that you can get a very fast charge with placing them back inside of here. As well as once this is fully charged, you can get a few charges out of the glasses without having to recharge this charging case. So you can get at least 3 to 4 charges out of this charging case without having to recharge it. So that is also a pro. So like I said, just one of the cons is just when I'm actually out on flights. Now, as far as talking on the phone, I haven't had any issues when I'm talking on the phone with my battery dying, if it's fully charged and just going throughout the day. The main time I run into issues is just when I'm trying to listen to music continuously, and it's on those flights. So I'll leave a link down in the description down below. So if you just want to get you a pair of these glasses, without going into like to see to a place like Lens Crafter and you don't need prescriptions, you could just check the link down below and buy you a pair. If you have any questions about these glasses, please let me know down in the questions or the comments down below. You can leave your questions. If it's your first time checking out the video, why don't you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Also, I do have some clips on my channel, some shorts and different videos showing footage from these glasses. And just to close out this video too, I'll show you guys what some of the footage looks like that I've been capturing and getting on these glasses. I'm telling you, it's good. These glasses, they come in handy if you're that person that likes to take photos, if you're a content creator, or if you got small children, you got a busy life, you like to take pictures, you're Instagramming, Facebook and all that stuff, Snapchatting. These glasses come in very, very handy. So with that said, like, comment.